Hello middle one, welcome back to school. I hope that you've enjoyed your long vacation. Today inshallah we're going to revise the grammar that we've studied before. We will start with the future forms and the future passive. Let's first start with the future forms. We have two forms for the future, will and going to. Will has 8 cases. Let's revise them together. You took them before, let's revise them together. The first one is the quick decision. When you decide something very quickly, you decide it on the spot. Number 2, a future fact. When you are talking about a future fact that you can't change, something in the future that you can't change. Number 3, prediction without evidence. When you predict something in the future but you have no evidence for it, or you think something will happen but you have also no evidence for it. Number 4, offer. When you offer someone help or you offer something to someone, you will use the future with will. Number 5, request. When you ask someone to help you or you ask something from someone, we also use will here. Number 6, promise. When you promise someone to do something. Number 7, threat. When you threaten someone or someone threatens you to do something bad for you or you do something bad to him. And number 8, the first conditional of if. As you know, in if the first conditional we use if plus the present simple and the second part will plus the infinitive. The second form, going to. Be, going to. The be means verb to be. Am is are plus going to plus the infinitive. We use it for the prediction with evidence. Here I have evidence. I predict something will happen in the future, but I have evidence. Like when I see the sky is cloudy, and I say the sky is cloudy, it's going to rain because I have evidence here. Number 2, for plans, intentions, or decisions. When I have intention to do something, or I made plans to do something in the future. Here I use going to plus the infinitive. Let's start answering. The first one here in the rewrite, we intend to travel to Aswan next week. We intend. Here I have an intention, so I will use going to plus the infinitive. So it will be, we are going to travel to Aswan next week. We are going to. The second one, my intention is to buy a car. Again, we have here an intention. And because we have an intention here, it will be I am going to buy a car. Number 3, my younger brother is 15 years old. I want you to use next year. This year he's 15, so next year he will be 16, of course. Can he be 10? Of course not. So this is a future fact. This will be what? I will use will. So this one will be, my brother will be 16 years old next year. The next one, Mona plans to buy a new dress. We have here the word plan, so here I am going to use going to. So this one would be, Mona is going to buy a new dress. Mona is going to buy because I have a plan. Number 5, I have decided right now to eat pizza. Right now, it means this is a quick decision. I decided now. And he gave you will. So this one will be what? So it will be, I will eat pizza. Number 6, we have decided 5 weeks earlier that we repaint the house. We decided 5 weeks earlier. That means it's a quick decision? Of course not. So we decided from a long time ago, so we have a plan. This will be going to. So middle one, this one will be, we are going to repaint the house. Number 7, offer your friend help answering a difficult question. Here you will offer help to your friend, and we said when we offer help or we offer something, we use will. So this one will be, I will help you answer this question or this difficult question. Number 8, she expects a rainy Sunday. He asks you to use will, but if I don't have will here, she expects a rainy Sunday. Do we have an evidence here? Does she have an evidence? No. So this will be prediction without evidence. So I will use will. So it will be Sunday will be rainy. Sunday will be rainy. Number 9. The teacher promised his students to get them presents if they sit politely in the class. Here we have if, and we said if in the first conditional. We use it in the second part, we use will and the infinitive. So this one will be, if the students sit politely in the class, the teacher will get them presents. The teacher will get them presents. Number 10. Threaten Ali that you'll tell his parents if he plays with matches. Here I have if and I have a threat. So of course I will use will. So it will be what? It will be, if you play with matches, I will tell your parents. Here I want you to correct these mistakes. Number 1. He is going playing football in the afternoon. Where is the mistake here? Of course the mistake is playing. It will be he is going to play. He is going to play football. He is going to play. Number 2. The sky is gray. It will rain. The sky is gray. That means I have evidence here. So I can't use well. I will use going to. It will be the sky is gray. It is going to. The sky is gray. It's going to rain. Number 3. Ahmed will stay with his grandfather. He intends to ski. Intends means I have an intention here, so I will use going to. So it will be Ahmed is going to stay with his grandfather. Look at this next one. They have left for Spain next September. Completely wrong. They have left for Spain next September. Here I have next September. It means I have a plan or I have an intention. So, of course, I will change the tense. It will be they are going to leave for Spain. They are going to leave for Spain next September. Number 5. I am going to help you carry this bag. I am going to help you. Here I'm offering help. Offering, it means I will use will, not going to. So it will be, I will help you carry this bag. Now we're going to revise the future passive. We use the future passive when we don't know who will do the action, or the person who will do the action is not important, or the action is more important than the person. When I say we will send an email, here I have an active voice, a normal sentence. To make it passive, it will be an email will be sent. Will plus be plus the past participle. Another example here, she will do her homework. To make it passive, it will be her homework will be done by her. Will plus be plus the past participle. Like here we have the object, the thing that will be done, will plus be all the time plus the past participle all the time. Here I have in number 11, somebody will tidy the room. Where is my object? The room, of course. Somebody subject, will tidy the verb, and the room is the object. And of course I will start with the object. It will be the room will be tidied by somebody. The room will be tidied by somebody. Number 12, a lot of people will collect money for charity. I will start with the object. Where is my object here? My object is money. So it will be money will be collected for charity. Money, the object, will be plus past participle collected for charity. Do I have to say by who? No, I don't have to say it. Number 13, they will cancel all flights because of fog, because of the fog. So I will start, of course, with the object. Where is my object? All flights. It will be all flights will be cancelled because of the fog. All flights will plus be plus past participle of cancel is cancelled because of the fog. Number 14, people will use this road after repairing it. I will of course start with my object. Where is my object here? My object is this road. This road will be used by people after repairing it. I will start with the object, this road. I will put will plus be plus the past participle of the verb. I have here used. It will be used by whom? By people after repairing it. The next one, the fireman will put out the fire. The fireman is my subject. Will put out is the verb. The fire is the object. I will start with the object. The fire will be put out by the fireman. Why didn't I change put? Because the past participle of put is put. The next one, they will cancel the race. I will start with the object. Here he gave me the object, the race. The race will be cancelled by them, or I can use by, or I can't use it. It's my option. The race will be cancelled by them. So I can do it, or I can answer it with by or without by. But don't forget, if you will use by, don't forget to change the pronoun. They will be them. The next one, we will obey the orders. We will obey the orders. I will start with the object here. The object is the orders will be obeyed by we? No, by us. The orders will be obeyed by us. The next one, she will play music. The object here is music. It will be music will be played by her. Music will be played by her. Look at this one. Grandpa will tell us stories. He wants you to start with stories because stories is the object. But here I have another object, which is us. Grandpa is the subject, will tell is the verb, us is an object, and stories is another object. Here we can do it in two ways. I will write for you the two answers. Number one will be, stories will be told to us by Grandpa. The other one will be, we will be told stories by Grandpa. I will write you both of them. The first one, stories will be told to us by Grandpa. The second one, we will be told stories by Grandpa. Both are correct. Number 20, I will sharpen my pencils. So I will start with my pencils. My pencils will be sharpened by me. Here I can use by and I can do without it. It's my choice. But I want you to remember something. If you have a name as a subject, you have to use by. For example, if here I don't, in number 20, if I don't have I and it's, for example, Ahmed will sharpen his pencils. I have to use Ahmed here. I have to say the pencils will be sharpened by Ahmed. If I have a name, I have to put the name. Here we will correct the mistakes again. Number 6, the bills will pay it soon. Of course, there is something missing here, which is be. The bills will be paid soon. Look at this one. The baby will feed his mom. Is this correct? Of course not. So it will be, the baby will be fed by his mom. The baby will be fed by his mom. The next one, she will be brushed her teeth. She will be brushed. She here is the object? No, it's the subject. So this one will not be passive at all. It will be, she will brush her teeth. She will brush her teeth. Number 9, the question will be answered. The question will be answered. Because here I have to put the past participle. Answer will be answered. The question will be answered. The last one, the house will cleaned by me. The house will be cleaned. Don't forget will, don't forget be, don't forget the past participle. The house will be cleaned by me. The house will be cleaned by me. That's it for today, middle one. Thanks for listening. Let's meet in the next video, inshallah.